what is internal torque and external torque. Also, what is internal momentum and external momentum. Big question.
Internal torque and external torque. And what is external movement arm and internal movement arm, right? So these two questions are different. Firstly, understand what is external torque and what is internal torque. So we will connect this to the previous lecture, right? This is again ulna here, and then we have the radius, right? And there is a load, 10 kg load. Now, okay, this is 10 kg load, right? And the coracoid process here, scapula, and we have short head of the biceps and then long head of the biceps. Okay, now what is internal torque? Okay, and what is external torque? Now, adding the load during exercise is called external load. External load is your external torque, right? And the muscle which are generating the force to complete this joint of action is called internal torque. So is it clear now? What is internal torque? The force generated by the muscle. Force by muscle to complete the joint of action, and that is done by the bicep muscle, short head and long head. That is called internal torque. And what is external torque? The applied external load which is resisting that joint of action is called external torque. Clear? So what is external movement arm and what is internal movement arm? Now, here is axis of rotation, also known as fulcrum, right? From the fulcrum, a perpendicular distance from the fulcrum, from the axis of rotation, the perpendicular distance to the external load is called external movement arm. arm. Right? And what is internal momentum? So you know now this is the muscle and internal torque, right? We connected external torque to the external load, external force, external torque, right? So we need to connect this to the internal torque. Okay. So what is internal momentum? A perpendicular distance from the fulcrum to the internal torque. Distance from fulcrum to the internal torque. Internal torque is called internal momentum. Is called internal moment arm. Right? Let me recap this again. You wanted to know what is internal torque and what is external torque. So external torque is applied load here, applied resistance, right? Which resists the joint of action, right? So that is called external load, external torque. And what is internal torque? Internal torque is created by the bicep muscle in this joint of action, right? And that internal torque is what generated by muscles, biceps muscles. Which muscles? Biceps muscles, right? And that is called internal torque because muscle is producing that force. Then you wanted to understand what is external moment arm. Now external moment arm relates to the external load. So a perpendicular distance from the fulcrum to the external load is known as external moment arm. Right? And what is internal moment arm? A perpendicular distance from the fulcrum to the external torque is called internal torque is called internal moment arm. Right? I hope I have simplified this.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.